Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. QNT did touch our support area yesterday and already starts to move. So we're going to take a look at that. Overall, QNT has come lower and lower in the last few months. And now when it broke above the trend line with the other coins, it has started to move to the upside. We're currently watching for a potential 5-wave move to the upside that could emerge from here. 5-wave movements are needed to indicate that the trend has shifted back from a downtrend into an uptrend. If you're interested in the longer time frame, longer term outlook, please check out my video from yesterday. We took a look at the daily and basically weekly chart for QNT. But in this video, just want to focus on the microstructure because at the moment we have to basically, look out for this 5-wave move. I'm tentatively assuming that a low is in. We talked about that. Yeah, we had enough waves to the downside to really complete it. And yes, I would have liked to see it reach the $80 level, but in the end we came very close to that key fib level. Nevertheless, not reaching it always leaves a little bit of a bad feeling about a chart, because oftentimes the experience shows that oftentimes these fib levels are reached at some point. Okay, so the chart might still go down and get them. However, at the moment, because of the general sentiment in the crypto market, we are watching if the low is in. And to further confirm that, I need to see a 5-wave move up, followed by a 3-wave move to the downside. And that basically, if I zoom in, shows you that we so far only have 3 waves up. We had a wave 1 and a 2. Basically here in a, must be basically a running flat structure. Okay, that's at least my best view, unless you have a 1-2-1-2 setup, which is also possible. Then we would potentially even push higher once more. But anyway, for now, we assume that this is what it's for, because you might have had a small 1-2-1-2, and then here 3-4-5 of 3, but this really goes into the microstructure too much and is not reliable. But anyway, this is the first, let's say, deeper retracement that we've seen since the price started to move on the 20th of October. And I indicated to you yesterday, and it didn't make a new high, I indicated to you this support area, and I highlighted that if we see a wave 4, the price should get into this region between $69.90 and $96.90 and $103.60. So the price came down, tested it, and already shows a nice reaction to it. So you see how it respected that 23.6 Fibonacci level there. So I'm currently on the lookout for a potential 5th wave. It's too early to say if the wave 5 has started yet. Maybe it will test the lower ranges in this fib, in this fib range here. But for now, I'm watching if the low is in here for wave 4. It would be still a shallow wave 4, but QNT sometimes likes to do shallow wave 4s, or generally shallow retracement when it's on the move. So therefore, I added the 23.6 fib level as well, which is a shallow wave 4. And if we do a wave 5, I mean, hard to say where exactly it will go, but certainly there is resistance around $112 to $114, and then around $118 to $120. And also if we add Fibonacci extensions, then we take the length of waves 1 through 3, we go to the low of the wave 4, and then this is sort of the main fib range that we should be watching, between $113.29 to $120. So this is the range where we would, also looking at the proportions, we would like to have wave 1 complete. Now they can always extend higher, but once we have 5 waves, at least we can watch for a wave 2 pullback, and I can add support, and then the third of a third wave is typically what we want to be in. Yeah, not much more to add, so I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.